Hey guys, welcome back, and today we have few leaks which confirms upcoming OnePlus device, that is OnePlus 6. Live images coming from a source confirms 2018 flagship killer. By seeing these images, it may be the real images of OnePlus 6. You guys can see a person holding OnePlus device and in which setting tab is open. The device is running on Oxygen OS 5.1 with 6 gigs of RAM, but we will surely have 8 gigs of variant also. 6 gigs of variant having internal memory of 64 GB, which is similar to other OnePlus variants released previously. And it is also running on Android Oreo, that is Android 8.1. Having a full screen display which looks 6 inches, but it is also having an iPhone like notch, which is smaller than we have on iPhone 10. This notch is very much similar to Asus Zenfone 5, having a similar display and a smaller notch. The back panel having dual camera setup, LED flash, and beneath that fingerprint sensors. These leaks shows that there is no on-screen fingerprint sensor on OnePlus 6. We also don't have much of information about the camera setup. But at back we have premium glass finishing, which really looks awesome. It also has OnePlus trademark, which confirms this may be the real OnePlus 6 images. As per the previous leaks and information by CEO, in which they confirm the device will have Snapdragon 845, which will be the latest Snapdragon processor. Front panel shows a loudspeaker and a front-facing camera, still maintaining 18:9 ratio. But you can also find little bit of bezels at the bottom of the screen. My personal opinion, OnePlus should have got on-screen fingerprint similar to their parent company Oppo, on which they are working now. So guys, that's all in this video. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below about the upcoming flagship killer, and if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up. So if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.